Hi everyone, so today I'll be cooking some curry chicken legs and some white rice, jasmine rice to be specific. So I have the rice going. I've added a little bit of salt and some butter, and we're gonna have that going. I have my pot heating up with a little bit of oil for the chicken, and then we're gonna burn some curry in that oil, some curry powder, and then we're gonna add the chicken to it. So the curry is now burning in the pot, and in Jamaica we burn the curry so that it doesn't give us diarrhea. So it's important to either burn the curry powder or add a piece of ginger to the cooking of the curry chicken. So this curry chicken has been seasoned since Friday. Today is Sunday, January 11, 2015. And I'm gonna briefly show you all the ingredients that I use to season the chicken. I'm now going to add the chicken to the hot pot with the burnt curry powder. Normally in Jamaica we cut the chicken into smaller pieces, but because I love chicken legs, I just keep them whole instead of using like mixed chicken parts and cutting them smaller. I'm just going to use what I have, which is chicken legs. So leave that and let it brown a little. We still have some seasoning left. And these are the seasonings that I use. I have a little Lorry's seasoned salt, ground Jamaican allspice, which is pimento but it's grounded, adobo all-purpose seasoning, some onion, a little bit of salt, black pepper, piece of Scotch bonnet pepper, all-purpose seasoning by Badia, 1 clove of garlic, a piece of ginger so that I don't get running belly, and some thyme leaves. And that's all I use to season the curry chicken. And the curry powder. The curry powder, can't forget the curry powder. And that's what I use to season the chicken on Friday, and today is now Sunday, so the chicken is nice and marinated in all that seasoning. So the chicken is browning and looking good, smelling good. So I went ahead and added some water to the rest of the seasoning that was in this bowl. I'm going to pour it off into the pot. And then I'm going to cover the pot and let that cook down for like 45 minutes to an hour. So the chicken has been cooking for like 20 minutes now, and you can see it's already falling off the bone, so that's looking good. I'm gonna go ahead now and add the Irish potato and shredded carrots and probably a little salt to taste. This pot is now boiling, looking good. Cover it partially. Let that continue to boil. So the rice is finished cooking now. The curry chicken pot is bubbling. Still have another like 30 minutes or so to go. So while that is going, I went ahead and prepped some Irish potatoes to put in the chicken close to the time when it's supposed to be done. And I'm gonna add some shredded carrots to the chicken as well. I'll be having my curry chicken with some boiled provisions. So some boiled yellow yam and boiled green bananas, and that's what I'm gonna have with my dinner instead of the rice. But in Jamaica, we normally use rice or boiled dumpling or boiled provisions, and I'll show you closer to the end of the cooking how this all comes together. So it has been about 45 minutes now, and the chicken looks done. The Irish potato is cooked. It has all come together. Added a little salt for taste. So I'm now gonna do a plate presentation to show you how the meal came together with the rice and the curry chicken.